Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today I have VECHAIN update. Let's see what it will do, and of course we dive in quickly into the technical analysis. If you want to join our Telegram group chat, I have the link in the description down below where we discuss more and more things. Right now we got the 22 cents as our support level, 24 to 25 cents as our resistance level. The previous update went pretty good, guys. I'm so excited about that. We hit the major resistance level. We said that VECHAIN was looking good and would go up in the short term. Right now what we want to see is breaking the 24 to 25 cents again, making new higher highs, and of course maintaining the 22 cents because this is our 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. And if we had to fall down from here, we wouldn't want to test 21 cents. I'm not saying we will. Right now I won't mention other support levels because it is not so much important. I will keep these levels, and of course we are having the 24 to 25 cents as our major resistance level. We want to break that in order to test the previous high that formed back on 17th April where we had this huge sell pressure, as you can see here. So right now for the MACD in the 4-hour frame, I won't even care if we see this bearish cross. What I care about is making higher lows, going upwards again, breaking this resistance level right here, and of course not falling beyond this key level or this one. Okay, if it had to fall beyond this, I wouldn't want to fall even beyond this one, formed the resistance level on 27th April. That's what I don't want to see. And of course for the MACD, guys, it is looking good, even if we see this bearish cross. All right, I said it, here I am. And of course right now let's go to the VECHAIN against USDT in the 4-hour frame and the RSI, the commodity channel index. Where are we? We had an overbought situation. That's why we found resistance in the 4-hour frame. We went up to the 24 to 25 cents, found resistance. You can see here the commodity channel index was way above the 100. We had a short-term correction, and now what we want to see is going upwards again, making higher highs. And if it does that, if we see higher lows for the commodity channel index and higher highs, we could eventually easily surpass the resistance level of 25 cents. For the RSI, we were always beyond the 70, even except this iceberg. As you can see here, the top of the iceberg, you can see here 7th May, it formed, and we had a critical moment where the RSI went a little bit above the 70. We had an overbought situation, therefore we corrected back. But of course this is nothing compared to what we want right now. We want higher highs, and of course eventually going above 17, even far above, breaking some resistances. And we don't want to see the RSI for the 4-hour frame do something like this, because that would mean we would go down. But I don't think that's the case, guys, for now at least. For the SSL channel, we are having a buying opportunity for the short term, for the 4-hour frame. Nothing to discuss that. You always know that when the commodity channel index is below minus 100, we are having a very good buying opportunity for the next 1 to 2 days, for the next few hours. Check out my simple buying strategy video I have in the top right of your screen. So right now, what are we seeing for Bollinger Bands and the daily frame, guys? We are in the daily frame, the Bollinger Bands right here. We are approaching the top of the Bollinger Band. You see here we found sell pressure as we hit the top line of the Bollinger Band. Now what we want to see is going upwards as well. When we extend the top line of the Bollinger Band, you can see we are correcting, consolidating back into the Bollinger Bands. This is a good measure to measure the risk metric, very good risk metric, and of course a very good buying opportunity when the price approaches the bottom line, or it is on the bottom line. It is a very good buying opportunity. VECHAIN had a very strong position. Right now we don't want to take into consideration the bottom line. What we want to see here for the commodity channel index is the daily frame. On the daily frame, you can see here we've extended in the 100, and we want to see higher highs like we saw back here for VECHAIN, guys, like we saw on 6th April. We want to see this pattern formed here, and of course we don't have any overbought situation yet because we are just a little above the 100 in the daily frame. For the commodity channel index, what we want to see is going upwards. We have room to grow, guys, for the daily frame. And of course look at where we are in the RSI. The RSI is between 30 and 70, not an overbought, not an oversold situation, not a risk, not a clear buying opportunity for the daily frame for the RSI. And of course here is one of the most important factors. If we can hit this cross, which I think we will, guys, and eventually the signal line goes like that and we regain some distance, then things will look very good for VeChain again, and we might look to further upward situation where we can break some important resistance level. This is very good news, and of course the volume is still here, guys. You can see the volume, it is declining a bit right now from 23rd April, but we still have the volume we need to go upwards. Let's see VeChain against Bitcoin. For VeChain against Bitcoin, we went a little bit upwards, 0.786. Now we went downwards to the Fibonacci retracement level of 0.618, but we still look good. The 20-day EMA went above the 50-day EMA, as you can see here, guys. Exciting news, and of course we want to maintain our position. We had here the overbought situation I was talking about on VeChain against USDT. That's why we went downwards, correcting a little bit afterwards. So nothing important. We could see this correction happening as long as we get the commodity channel index above 100, way above 100. You can see here the RSI, the top of the iceberg, as I call it. You can see here that we would have a correction in the 4-hour frame due to the RSI and the commodity channel index metrics. So of course right now, don't worry about this correction. Nothing important, guys. Obviously, we need these corrections in order to see it going upwards again, okay? It happens all the time in the 4-hour market as well, but now let's go to the daily frame. In the daily frame, guys, let me remove the drawings, and of course we have a very strong position for VeChain against Bitcoin. I assume that we will cross this resistance line over here, guys. Let me do it with a red color here. We will cross this resistance line. Let's see the price, 0.50460. Okay, I think that we can go into this, and let's see a bit the weekly frame as well to see where are we, guys. Where are we? Look at this. We had overextend already, making new highs for VeChain against Bitcoin, and of course we might see a furthermore action for VeChain against Bitcoin. Right now for the weekly frame we have so much important. Look at this parabolic move, okay? It is absolutely crazy, insane. And of course for the daily frame we still look good. If we can surpass this line, which I think we will, then we will be looking way better and better for VET against Bitcoin. But let's go to our price analysis now. We discussed a bit about the resistance levels and the support levels before, 24 to 25 cents. I am so excited that the previous update for VeChain went so good, guys. We said that if we reach the 22 cents, this would be our next major resistance level, which we did, guys. 24 cents, we saw this correction, the commodity channel index above the 100. We had an overbought situation, a risk for the 4-hour frame for the next 1 to 2 days. We corrected here, guys. We corrected here, and what we want to see now is keeping the 22 cents around there as a support role, and of course breaking through now the 24 to 25 cents, because in the daily frame, as you can see here, we don't have any risk involved. We can go further above, and of course for the daily frame in the commodity channel index we have so much room to grow, yet we are a little bit on the 100, a little bit above. We are actually on the 100 level. We can have room to grow, but we need to see it going above the 100 right here, breaking this resistance and go above for the commodity channel index in the daily frame. So guys, we don't have any oversold or any overbought situation. That's good, because now we can fuel up and we can maybe hit the 25 cents. And you can see here, guys, something that always happens in the cryptocurrency market. 1, 2, 3 times we hit the Fibonacci retracement, the golden ratio 0.618. In the 4th time we wouldn't mind to even break through. If you see that we continuously hitting a resistance level, important resistance level, this means, guys, obviously that we will go and break through this resistance level. This is what happens. This is a general rule, and of course it is the 3rd rule. When we see that 1, 2, 3 times, then eventually we will go upwards, okay? It is happening most of the times, not always, guys, but of course you should find by yourself the important major support and resistance levels. Right now you can see why the 0.618 was such an important resistance level to break. We broke, we found resistance in the 0.786, went down because of this correction. I think that VeChain might as well go down after going sideways for a bit. We will go upward. Sorry, I said go down. No, we will go upwards, breaking through the 25 to 25 to 24 to 25 cents. And for the mid long term, guys, I think VeChain is looking fantastic for the long term, guys. But okay, let's see by the end of the year what the price will be. I had a post made if it will touch the $2, and most of you, I think, guys, voted yes. So let's see what it will do. But right now for the RSI, you can see here, even though we were approaching the 24, we had the commodity channel index above the 100. That's why we were consolidating. Right now we want to see it going upwards again. Higher lows, higher highs, guys. Higher lows, higher highs. Same thing that happened here when we had a good run. Okay, you can see here, bam. Okay, we had this low high, and of course we didn't manage to go beyond the 100 for the commodity channel index. But this happens especially, guys, in the RSI. You can see here when we have a bullish run, the lowest RSI was like this level around here, guys, 48 to 50. That is the lowest RSI. That's what we want to see here as well. If we are about to have an impulsive wave, a very bullish run for VeChain, and breaking our previous high here, then we have to see higher lows for the RSI and higher highs. So right now, what I think it is the most important here factor. I hope you took the profits, guys, when we hit the 25 cents. I hope that you maintained here this resistance level. It was important resistance level, as I've told in my previous video, and of course I hope you took the profits. Right now, what you should do, in my opinion, not a financial advice, you should wait to see if we can break the 25 cents in the short term. If we can't break, go above, then we will be surely hitting this resistance line first of all, and maybe going above the previous all-time high. Let's see the price label here, 26 to 27 cents. We will surely go above there. You can set your profit target around there if you want some short-term price target, price action, if you want short-term profit. If you don't want short-term profit and you are mid long-term investor, then you should hodl your VeChain, because I think we haven't seen our highest yet. So if you want hodl, please. This is not a financial advice. You should always do your own research, but according to our daily updates, we are looking good, guys. And of course, I am happy if I could help you. Right now, the 20-day EMA is above the EMA. We want it to remain like this, even being our support level for now. You can see here, we are fueling up. Maybe we can see after this squeeze point here, maybe we can see extending again, going above the 24 to 27 cents. 25 cents, sorry, breaking above this resistance area level here. And of course, right now we need to maintain the 22 cents. If we had to fall down, again, I wouldn't like to fall at 20 cents. Eventually, we might consider, if we had to have a correction a little bit more, then I would consider this line to be our next support level, the 21 to 22 cents. If we had to break down from the Fibonacci retracement level 0.618, but as long as we maintain this level, guys, nothing to worry about. I think we will move. Eventually, we might move a bit sideways, but we will move upwards soon. Okay, so right now, this is an update. I will always keep you updated, guys. Of course, this is an update for VeChain. I will just post more and more videos every day, guys. If I can't post any videos in one day, then I will let you know in the comments. And of course, I will let you know everywhere you want. You can join our Telegram group chat. I have the link in the description down below. And if you like the content, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell button, and share. I would be so grateful, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. And of course, see you soon with many more videos. Bye.